Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about homogeneous charge compression ignition, that is SCCI. Why SCCI engine is used? Yes, it is very important. We already have IC engines like SI and CI engines. Then why we go for homogeneous charge compression ignition engine? Let's see the reason. High efficiency and ultra low emission with respect to conventional diesel engine. To achieve near zero NOx and soot emissions, to achieve latest Euro norms, that is E5, to reduce fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emission, we use HCCI engine. As per the law of diesel HCCI, in Germany, every 1% increase of diesel HCCI car saves 90 million liters of fuel per year. This corresponds to emission saving of 210,000 metric tons of CO2. Then what is an HCCI engine? HCCI is a form of internal combustion in which the fuel and air are compressed to the point of auto ignition. That means no spark plug is required to ignite the air fuel mixture. Creates the same amount of power as a traditional engine but uses less fuel. HCCI engine is the combination of diesel engine and gasoline engine, but it does not have spark plug and fuel injector. Here we can see representing diagram of various combustion processes. In that, first is SI combustion, in which spark plug is present and during combustion hot flame region is created, and SI combustion has high emissions. Second is CI combustion, in that fuel injector is present and at the time of combustion hot flame region is created and it has high emissions. And third one is SCCI combustion. Here we can see neither spark plug nor fuel injector is present. It is low temperature combustion and lean burn combustion, and it has very low emissions. Instead of using spark plug to ignite air and gas in the cylinder as in a traditional engine, efficient SCCI engine use pressure created by a piston to heat the mixture until it combusts. Let's see how does it works. A given concentration of fuel and air will spontaneously ignite when it reaches to its auto ignition temperature. The concentration or temperature can be controlled by several ways. In that, first is high compression ratio, second is preheating of induction gases, third is forced induction, fourth is retaining or reintroducing exhaust gases. Let's see the working of HCCI engine. Fuel injected through the fuel injectors, then air induction through a intake plenum, then air and fuel mix in combustion chamber. As piston moves back up at the time of compression stroke, sufficient heat has accumulated. This heat spontaneously combusts air fuel mixture, which forces piston down for power stroke. This process is lean, low temperature, flameless energy release. Let's see the advantages of HCCI. First is 15% of increase in fuel efficiency over SI engines. Second one is can be operated at high compression ratios, that is greater than 15. Third one is can be operated on gasoline, diesel fuel and most alternative fuel. Fourth one is emission of throttle losses improves efficiency. Fifth advantage is no shock wave propagation, so no knocking. Sixth one is cleaner combustion and lower emissions. This is about advantages of HCCI. Then disadvantages of SCCI. First one is high cylinder peak pressure may damage the engine. Second one is auto ignition is difficult to control. Third disadvantage is HCCI engine have a smaller power range. This is all about HCCI engines.